Welcome to the Piecesanspermis workshop. I'm Julien. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your battery. Remove the battery casing beneath the glove box. Use a ratchet to unscrew the bracket. You can now access the battery. Loosen the electrical cables to plug them into your new battery, making sure not to get the plus and minus mixed up. Before putting your battery back in, start the engine to make sure the battery works. Place the battery back into position, secure the bracket, and put the casing back on. And the job is done. See you soon for more tutorials in the Piecesanspermis workshop.